Hello, good evening everyone. I'll quickly show you the RGB light on this keyboard. You can see here on the left side there is a tab called lighting. Just click it, you can see here, and there's options, and it's all off, so you can choose to solid color. So if you change the color, as you can see, it's green, and it's blue, it's pink, it's red, and it's white. So you can change the color. And then you can change the brightness by sliding this, and you can see it's very dim, lighter, the brightest. And then you can choose different light effect. Breathing. Let's change to a green color. It's basically the number suffix, and it's like 1 is the slowest one, and 2 is a faster one, and the fourth one is the fastest one. So I want to show you everyone. Just switch to the breathing 4. You see the breathing is much faster. Then we try the rainbow mode. It's like keep changing these colors like over time. So I believe the 3 will be the faster mode. The pattern are the same. And let's try rainbow thrill. It's mostly if you change the color, you can see it goes some difference and what you'll see. Yep. Yeah, I'm not sure if you change it to 6. You can see the color changing. It's much faster and it's more visible. Also, you can apply the light to every model. I want to show it over again. And next will be the snake. Yeah, that's snake. And you can choose the snake 6. It'll be really fast. Try the knight. It's similar as snake, but it's just going back and forth. And obviously knight 3 will be a faster mode. You can change the color to red if you like, or blue. Then let's try Christmas. Let's try gradient. So let me see. It's mostly, I'm not sure it's a static. You can definitely try or play around yourself. Gradient 10. So it looks like it's like 1 is a color difference is the biggest one, and gradient 10 will be use a similar color. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And then RGB test. So it's just a test, like each of the color of the lights is working properly. And the last one, alternating. Yeah, alternating. See, you can change another color. Yeah. Yeah, that's all the lights mode. So we change it back to the default model and change it to white color solid and turn it a little bit dim. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.